and Jordan. This is dirtbike burnouts.
Hey, this is Ray. You might know me from later videos from dirtbike BMX dumbasses and more, and BMX dumbass kid. But we're gonna do burnouts. I got my mini dirt bike fixed, and we're pretty much gonna do burnouts. So Jordan's gonna do one first. Is that all you got? Okay. Jordan, yeah, take the camera. It's gonna be my turn. Oh my god, it's stuck in the hole. Look at the hole. Yeah, keep looking at the hole. Damn it! Ow! Yeah. I think I broke it. Fuck.
Hey.
What?
Your mother wants you in the house. What are you doing?
She doesn't want me in the house to make a video. I blew up the bulb.
What?
Blew up the bulb.
Why?
I turned it on and it went doosh. There you go, we're making a video still. Take the camera.
Okay, this is gonna be hard.
No, just.
Oh, we can see you.
Light. Let's go over here. What the hell?
Follow this slowpoke. It looks like a clown.
Fuck your cow.
Pajamada. Oh god. I'm blind. Shut your mouth. You ready?
And I need something to put my tire in for that. I got it. Fuck your couch. I got it. I don't think wood is gonna move. Okay, maybe it will.
Okay. There you go. Ah.
Okay,
I think it's done.
I think it died. It might have died.
Okay.
Let's see if the red light's still on. I think it died. Yep. It died. Holy bejesus. Okay, I'm gonna have to fill that hole back up before my dad sees it. You might want to help me. That's not really helpful, but okay. Just digging a bigger hole.
Shut up.
I don't know if he's gonna notice that. Oh, good. Okay. That's Jordan, once again. That's my dirt bike. It's electric dirt bike. We're gonna put a motor. I'm gonna try to put a motor in it.
Yeah.
Okay, it works again. I'm gonna try to put a motor in it. It's probably gonna be a lawnmower engine or a chainsaw engine. I don't know which one. But yeah, again, I am Ray, and that's it. Please rate, subscribe, like. I don't know. Peace.